prevention. And with this holiday season upon us, we are talking about all things food and holiday food, and specifically today we're going to be talking about grazing boards. We love a grazing board around here. Who doesn't? A special way to provide nutrients and fiber-packed snacks that honor all your guests' tastes or dietary needs. So I'm going to be showing you a grazing board that I put together for my family's Thanksgiving that accounts for all my family's dietary needs. We've got vegans, we've got gluten-free people, we have vegetarians, we have a nut allergy. So taking into account all those preferences, and you could do the same for your family as well. Different ages, different preferences. So as you can see, I really went for it on color. Is it the prettiest grazing board you've ever seen? No. Does my family care? Not really, they're just hungry. So I tried to really get a mix of all different food groups here. So for fruits, we've got some oranges and figs and grapes. And for vegetables, we've got pickles, olives, some fresh pepper. And proteins, we've got cheeses and meats, and we've got a hummus dip. And for whole grains, we've got some fiber-rich seed crackers. We have both gluten-free options and non-gluten-free options. And of course, we've got some chocolates because who doesn't have a sweet tooth? So these are just my family picks, but you can mix things up. What are your family's preferences? What are your family's needs? But thinking about shapes, textures, flavors, colors that will complement your family meal. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great time creating a grazing board for all your holiday events this year. Happy holidays.